this issue is a bit technical, and the Mumbai individuals or the Hyderabad individuals says that, hey, my server is down. Okay, I imagine that my Azure server is down. I cannot able to access the Azure services. So, and you are providing the cloud infra services to ICICI Bank. Okay, so they says that, hey, my Azure infra is down and I cannot able to access the Azure application. Then this issue will be reported again to the L1 team. Now, is it possible that one individual can able to learn all the cloud tools in the market and sit on the L1 desk? Is it possible?
No, sir.
No.
No. One individual cannot able to learn multiple technologies in the market and still sit on the L1 desk. In that kind of scenarios, if the issue is out of his head, is out of his range, in that kind of scenarios, this individual will try to analyze the issue, then categorize the issue. As you are providing the cloud infra services, each and every services have their own team. Okay, imagine that you are providing the Azure services. Azure has a team, and Salesforce has a team, and Oracle has a team, and DevOps has a team. Let's go with 3 initially. So let's say Azure, Salesforce, and AWS. Okay, so these are the 3 cloud services you have been providing to ICICI Bank. Now, if the customer says my Azure server is down, so how does this individual can categorize this issue, and which team does he going to categorize it?
Azure.
Azure, right? So here you can see that it is belonging to the Azure team. That means that by default I can imagine that this issue will be reported to the Azure team. Okay, now after assigning this to specific Azure team, these individuals in the Azure team are going to be the mid-range developers. That means that they carry the experiences of 2 to 8 years. And once they are going to escalate that specific issue to the concerned team, one of the individuals who is available at that period of time will pick up and will try to provide a solution to the issue. So they are going to escalate it to the next level, and that next level is going to be L3 support, or you can call it as tier 3. Okay. And these individuals are nothing but the SMEs of the platform. What is an SME? Subject
Matter expert.
matter expert. That means that they are the masters in their specific technology. That means that they carry extensive experiences into that specific skill set. So every team has one SME. So if I'm going to say Azure have one SME, Salesforce team has one SME, and AWS team also has one SME. Okay, so if they are not able to solve a specific issue, they are going to address it to their SMEs, and they are going to get the help from their SMEs. So SMEs might be the lead developers, the architects, the managers, or the platform developers who have the extensive experiences into that specific skill set. That means that they know the in and outs about the technology or about the skill set. Okay, then they are going to take the help from the SMEs. If they are available, they are going to assign the specific issue to the specific individual, or if they are busy, they are going to address you, or they are going to help you out in analyzing and solving the specific issue. So let's understand what is my audience, what will be my audience in my past classes. Okay, so most of the individuals whom I train were non-technical, because if they know technical, they won't come to the course, they are going to learn themselves. So most of the people whom I interact, whom I teach, are going to be non-technicals. In most of them, they are going to be technical support consultants who does not have any kind of technical knowledge, which is going to be non-voice or voice support consultants. And the second one is going to be a QA analyst, which is the QA, quality assurance, quality control, or the test engineers, and project managers who have extensive experiences in another technical skill set, but they want to thrive in ServiceNow, and civil engineers or mechanical engineers who does not know any term about IT. Even they can able to learn the platform and they can able to sustain. The beauty of ServiceNow is the configurations and development. Because if you take any other skill or any other technology in the market like Java, .NET, Python, what is that, C Sharp, and what else we have? Let's say full stack. Each and every technology in the market, you need to write scripts or codes all the time. But in ServiceNow, the beauty of ServiceNow is we prefer low code environment.